Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert your Excel sheet question bank into Google Forms. How to import your Excel sheet data into your Google Forms. So for this, we need to log in into your Gmail account and go to your Google Drive. Before starting with this, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for new videos. So first, create a one sheet. So just click on a new and click on a Google Sheet to create a sheet. So here is an empty sheet. No need to copy all your Microsoft Excel sheet data into Google Sheet. In a Google Sheet, there is a facility to import the data. So just click on File and click on Import and select your file. So click on Upload and select the file from your device. Select your file from your particular folder. So select the path of your file first and then select your particular file. So this is my file. So select this file here. Then here, see, create a new spreadsheet, insert a new sheet or replace a spreadsheet. Select on import data. So just click on import data. So here is your sheet. So do the name to your sheet. Suppose you are creating the sample question bank and the subject name. Okay. And here is your question bank, serial number, question text, the different options for your quiz, then correct answer. And here I will add one more column, point, means this question carrying the 1 mark each. So assign the mark to all the questions. So in this. Okay. So after this, how to convert this Excel sheet data into the Google Forms? For this, we need one add-ons. So in sheet, here is a different option. Last option is add-ons. So just click on this and click on manage add-ons. And in that, we need to click here, search apps and type here form builder for sheets. Form builder for sheets and select this form builder for sheets. And here is the information of form builder. You can go through this information also. Select the sheet, choose a field, then import the data fields and then form is ready. Just click on it, install. And then see, form builder for sheet need your permission in order to start installing. So just click on continue and here is different permissions. For this, we need to select our account. And then check this permission, read this permission and then just click on allow. And after this, now this form builder for sheet has been installed. So just click on done. Close this box. And now just again click on it, add on. So you will get a new option, form builder for sheets. And in that, click on it, start. And here is the working. Then you will get this box, form builder for sheets. And here, source, from where you are selecting the data, sheet 1. See, by default, sheet 1 is here. If there is a multiple sheet, select your sheet. Then, if you want to select the range, you can select the range, or by default is a full. Full means all data is selected for this form. You can select the range. Just click on the range, and if you want to select the suppose this only this much of data, then you can select A1 to K10. See this. But I want the full sheet, so I am selecting the full. Then select pattern, questions, question answer, quiz. I am trying to create a quiz, so select the option quiz. So after clicking on the quiz, see here is the option. The star means required option and these others are the options. So we will first consider the only required option. Questions at column. So question column is what? Question column is C. See, select your sheet column name. Okay, don't consider this column name, question text and all. So C is your column name. So let's click here and click on the C. Okay, C is your column name. Then answer starts at column, means the options are option A to D and column number is D to G. So answer starts at column D and answer ends at column G. Okay, just click on a G. Okay, then after this, correct answer at column. Correct answer at column J. So select the column J from here. So select the J. Then points at column. Where is point is stored? So point at column S. Okay, at column S there is a point. So select the point also. Because we need to do the points also here. So select it. Okay, after this, see now this scroll bar is till the end. Then click on Gate. So after clicking on the gate, you will get the multiple options after this gate also. So see, here is the options now. And in that, ready to import, here is a randomly choose the question. You can select the random question also. Okay, then here is shuffle question order. You can shuffle the question order. If you want to change the question order, you can change. If you want to change the options order, then also you can change. I had already explained what is meaning of shuffle question order, answer order in my previous videos. See now here is all the questions is selected because I had selected the range, selected the questions all. So all the question is here. But this first one, okay, this first one question means your first row of your sheet. But I don't want this question text and option as a question. So remove this. Okay. So the question number 2. How many row is here? See, here is a number of rows, like 30. But I want to create a test of only 10 questions or the only 20 questions. Then select these questions only. Suppose I want to make a test of 20 questions. Then select just only the 20 questions from this. You can select the randomly or you can select the directly. Okay, just setting till the 20. Okay, so after this, create a form. Okay, just click on the create a form to create a form, or you can choose the form. You can use the already existing form also, but I'm creating the new form. And the new form name is. You can give the any name to this. So I'm doing the sample quiz DS12. Okay, this is my name. And then after this, just click on a create to create this quiz. After this, click on the import selector. Okay, just click on the import selector and see below this also the option is advanced feature, override the form content, make option as a multiple choice, make a selected questions as a required an option. If your quiz is a compulsory for the 10 question, means at that time you need to do the required. Required means compulsory. Optional means student can attempt the any 10 question or the sum of the question from given quiz. Okay, see now click on the import selector. Just click on this import selector. So after importing, you will get the message imported successfully. Okay, you will get the notification, and in that notification there is an option to open a quiz, to open a form. So it will take some time for creating your quiz. So after creation, you will get the notification. So just we will use this notification to open a form. Okay, here is notation imported successfully and here is the open form. So just click on the open form to give your quiz. See here is the name of the quiz. Here is also the name of the quiz. Then here is a different question. This is question number 1 and different options. You can cross check it, this question with your Excel quiz. See which of the following is type of sequential search. Yes, same question is here and the options also. You can add the questions from here also. You can add the question from here. See, this quiz is similar to your regular Google forms. If you want to add the description, then you can add the description, you can add the themes for the form, you can add the roll number, name of the student. You can also add the sections in this given form. Okay, all other settings are the same, but here only the new thing is we are importing data directly from Excel to your Google Forms. Okay, every time we are collecting the responses, we are using the Google Forms and we are collecting the responses and we are creating the Excel sheet from the form. Okay, but now in this video, we are converting Excel sheet into the Google Forms in easy method. Okay, you can use this method for your creation of question paper, for the test, for the quiz. Okay, no need to type the each and every question, no need to copy paste the question and answer. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And if you have any query regarding this video, please write in the comment box. Thank you very much.